Hello friends, today I'll be sharing with you the most delicious weight loss salad recipe of mine. If you're looking to get in shape and healthy, this is so yummy and nutrient rich. So very quickly, in order to come up with this healthy weight loss salad, the first thing you need is lettuce. Yes, this green leafy vegetable is very cleansing, very good at giving your inner system a thorough cleanse, boosting your metabolism as well, so you can burn your fat so fast. Plus it is so yummy, will leave your skin so healthy from the inside and youthful as well. Very filling because this is dietary fiber you need for utmost health as well as for weight loss as well. So this is it. Get your lettuce and slice up into your desired shapes. A handful of it is fine for this recipe. And yeah, so voila, this is it. I always love to wash my green leafy vegetables with vinegar just to make sure they are really clean because they tend to be more exposed a lot. So you want to wash with vinegar so you are sure you're eating something very clean. Or in case of any pesticides that were used, you've washed everything and you're eating a 100% healthy food. So the second thing I add is cucumber. Yeah, this is so cleansing as well. Cucumbers support your system to detox itself, and that is why I love me some cucumbers. Plus, they are very alkalizing to fortify your system and form a disease fighting barrier. This is very healthy, very crunchy and yummy in this recipe, plus very filling as well. So, this is half a cucumber sliced. This is a plate, so if this is for one, if you're making for two, you double up the size. So the next thing I add is tomatoes as well. They are very good for weight loss. They contain potassium, which is very good for your health. Potassium is good because it helps regulate excess sodiums in your system. So if you're someone with blood pressure, this is a very good meal for you. This is very good because this will help you with the excess sodiums, raising your blood pressure up. The tomatoes are very healthy. So that is my one tomato sliced and set aside. Yeah, I just put it in there so any water, like I drain all the possible water from the vegetables. So the next thing I add is avocado. Avocado for two reasons. This is so rich in the omega fatty acids you need. It will foil your system with energy to help you stay full while helping you burning fat. Plus it brings in some moisture and yumminess to your salad. This is so nice. Avocados are superfoods and they contain a little bit of almost all the vitamin and minerals you need for utmost health. Vitamin E, vitamin C, the omega fatty acids. Very yummy. Yeah, eating this will help you always stay healthy and looking good. So you want to get your avocado, and I eat one avocado. This is very filling. This will be like a meal replacement for you. So it fills you up while helping you with the fat burning. Yeah. So I add some mangoes. This is seasonal. I love me some mangoes. If you can't have mango now, that is fine. You can make without, but adding it in here makes everything so yummy. Or you can substitute with strawberry. It will still work in this recipe and it is so nice. So if you're in the mango season, add some mangoes and trust me, you will love this recipe and come thanking me because this is so yummy and very healthy. Yeah. So you want to get your one mango and slice up into your desired sizes. This is equally loaded. This is a tropical fruit that is loaded with a lot of vitamins and minerals as well, just like avocado. It contains vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin A. You see a lot of vitamins and minerals you need. This is a healthy meal. You're loading your system up with nutrients to stay healthy, stay fit, and looking good and healthy as well. So plus helping you with your fat burning because this is very low calorie, and this is how you eat to stay in shape or get back in shape and healthy. So this is our dressing we are making, and the first thing you need for the dressing is a citrus fruit, and this is orange. Citrus fruits are very good because of the citric acid, which helps to promote fast fat burning. Citric acid equally helps to prevent fat accumulation in your system, causing weight gain. So I love me some citrus fruits. Plus oranges bring in some beautiful taste and flavor in here, and they are so yummy. Yeah, so this is the juice from one orange. You want to squeeze in a cup and add in some black pepper. So just a little pinch of black pepper. If you're measuring, just like half a teaspoon, a pinch of black pepper, because black pepper brings taste and flavor, plus it boosts your metabolism as well. So nice. Yeah, and I add in some olive oil as well. So this is olive oil. Measure some olive oil and add in the recipe in your dressing, sorry, rather. So those are 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You add in a pinch of salt, have a good mix, and you're good. This is the dressing. So yummy, so yummy. Yeah, so now this is it. Go ahead and serve your salad up in your bowl, and you're good. You see the color, mix of colors of vegetables. This is how you're sure you're putting in different nutrients into your body for utmost health. Plus this is so yummy, like a very good healthy meal replacement if you're looking to stay healthy and fit in shape. If you're a weight loss watcher, fall in love with this. If you are a patient of blood pressure, fall in love with this. This is so healthy, good for the heart, good for your body, and so yummy. When I say this is so yummy, just go ahead and do it, and you'll come back thanking Risa here. Yeah, so this is it. Serve up the bowl and enjoy yourself. You can have this in the evening, and make sure you drink enough water during the day as well. So water helps you with the cleansing and the fat burning, because water is what will help you easily break down everything in your system. Most people are always constipated and bloated because they don't drink enough water to help them break down whatever they eat. So it stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain, because you could not digest the food because you never drank enough water. So drink enough water every day, like 2 liters, and watch how your life will change. You will hardly have digestion issues. You will hardly have unnecessary weight gain because of food stored up in your system, belly fat, and the rest. So water is something I talk about a lot all the time. Like I can't share a video without talking the importance of drinking water. Yeah, so 2 liters a day. Tell your sister, your brother, your uncle, your mama, your papa, 2 liters of water a day, and watch how your life will change. So go ahead and try this recipe. Come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.